Welcome to Shri Siddh Vidyapith School. I hope you are all doing good and staying safe from this COVID-19. So students, today we are going to solve the question and answers of the poem Mother and the Mouse. In this poem we read that how a little boy, his or her, thinks that his mother is brave enough to get scared from any of the things like a thunder or a cat or anything. But he gets surprised when his mother gets frightened from a little mouse, and he tries to protect his mother from that little mouse. So today we are going to solve the question and answers. Use your prescribed textbook for better understanding. See on page number 43 below the poem reading comprehension. Answer these questions within 20 words each. Why did the poet never dare to ignore her mother's instructions? The poet never dared to ignore her mother's instructions because she fixed her with a stare and gave one flashing look from her big eyes which were enough to scare her. What did the poet see when she rushed to the kitchen when she heard her mother scream? When she rushed to the kitchen, the poet saw her mother perched on the kitchen sink almost at the edge and squealing like a baby bat. What did the poet fear might have happened? The poet feared that the pressure cooker may have burst or that the oven may have scorched her hand. What condition was the poet's mother in when she found her? The mother was whimpering like a baby and squealing like a baby bat. What actually scared the poet's mother? A mouse which had entered the house had scared the mother. Move on to next one. Answer these questions in 30 to 40 words each. Mention 3 phrases and 3 words that the poet uses to portray her mother's fright. Squealing, whimpered, trembling, frightened, high-pitched scream, perched up, high, big eyes, round with fear are the words and phrases that the poet uses to portray her mother's fright. Do you think the poet must have been amused to see her mother in a state of fear? Give a reason to support your answer. The poet must have been amused to see her mother in a state of fear. Mother had never been scared of darkness or thunder, and she would never squeal or faint. Now she was terrified of a mouse that had entered the house. Why do you think the poet named the poem Mother and the Mouse and not just the mouse? The poet named the poem Mother and the Mouse and not just the mouse because the poem is based on an effect the mouse had on Mother, who was violent and mighty and had never ever been frightened of anything. Move on to next one. C. Read these lines and answer the questions that follow. She whimpered like a baby and pointed to a mouse that had the gall and temerity to enter into her house. Who is she referred to here? She referred to here is the poet's mother. Was her behavior expected? Her behavior was not expected because she was not afraid of anything. She was not scared of darkness or thunder. How did the mouse behave? The mouse was quick and cunning and gave the poet the slip. I don't like mice, she whispered, her big eyes round with fear. I felt like superheroes do, so glad that I was near. Second one. Who did not like mice? The poet's mother did not like mice. Why did the poet feel like a superhero? The poet felt like a superhero because she had successfully chased the mouse away and made it disappear into the garden. She had been on hand to set her mother's fears at rest. What assurance did the poet give her mother to set her mind at peace? The poet told her mother not to worry and assured that she would be safe, for that's what children are for. So students, here are the solutions for the question and answers of the Mother and the Mouse. I kindly request you to note it down in your class note copy, read it, learn it. If you have any doubt regarding this poem, you can ask me. I am going to clear it out in the next video.